Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to open the menu, and to do it press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you should see the watch face option. Tap on it to select it. And here we can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping on the screen or by using the up and down buttons. Now scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find the watch face you like, press the start button and then select the apply option to apply the watch face, like this. You can also customize watch faces, so let's open the menu again, tap on watch face, find the watch face we want to use, press start, and instead of selecting apply, we can scroll down and here we have options like layout, and here we can change the layout of the watch face. Then we can change options like seconds, so basically you can select the type of the, or rather if you want to have the seconds or not on the clock. Then we have data, and here we can basically change the widget at the top, then here, and I think the final one is at the bottom. Okay, next we have the accent color. We can change the color of the accent on the watch face. Then we can change the data color. Then we can change the background color to white or black. And finally we can also remove the watch face if you want to. And once you're done, of course, customizing your watch face, you can select apply and press start to confirm and apply the changes. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.